Good evening from Pattaya. I was going to be doing a video today, guys, about the new rules for the bars. Now, for anybody who doesn't know, the bars have been given the go-ahead to open on the 1st of July, which is next Wednesday. But that comes with a set of rules, the new normal, as they say everywhere. There's 22 rules, but at the moment they are proposals. So it's no good me giving you them rules when they might not be true yet. It's Friday now. On Monday, I think about 3 p.m. in the afternoon, 2 p.m, we will get the set of rules. But also at the same time, we will get the set of rules from the local government, Chonburi, which might be different. Now, there's a few things in them rules at 12 midnight closing. That's not definitely true yet. It is true for Thailand, but it might not be true for Pattaya because it does come under a different administrative system here. So we've got to wait until Monday. And then what I'm doing is I'll be doing a video update on Monday with all the rules for opening, and we'll see where it goes from there. Now, the other day, I made a video, it was just a couple of days ago. I went to a place called Pattaya Air Park. This one, it's got a great runway. It's just in the middle of nowhere, and it's absolutely perfect if you want to practice flying a drone or planes. Have a look at this. Good morning, Jeremy.
Hello, young man.
Where are we going? Let's go fly some planes. So what we got here?
Fun, that's what we got. I'm taking us to Pattaya Air Park.
Pattaya Air Park?
Which is an abandoned airport from about, I think it was 2014 if I'm right. So they've split this one into two. So there's two smaller air parks up north.
Yeah.
They used to do lots of skydiving and paramotors and stuff.
Is that where they do they still use it for that now?
And no.
Right.
Now they use this, I think it's non-crew airport and Eastern Airport instead. So this place is just basically being walked off, and there's hangars and everything, just left to rot.
So somebody lives on there, and what we do, we pay 100 baht going?
Apparently so.
Are you telling me you've not been here before?
I went there once on the scooter, and the guy came out and yelled at me and said, "You meant to come and ask me first before you come in here."
Ah.
And I said sorry, and then disappeared after going full speed down the runway.
So we've kind of found where it is, we think, and it is proper in the sticks.
I'm gonna stop and see old mate, wherever old mate is. Is there an old mate?
Ah, and there's a plane here. Yeah, look at that. Oh. Well, I don't think anybody is going to bother us out here. Who'd have thought where this is? He's got your little plane there. So what are you going to do? Start playing and then wait for him to come out when he gears that fire up? We don't want to get shot.
Everyone for 3 kilometers.
Drone. When it comes to licenses for drones, there's a lot of disinformation online. It's very easy to get. I'm not going to do a video on it because there's already somebody done a video on it. Brian, Pattaya Droner, he did a video on it. There's a place up on Pattaya Thai. They're 4,500 baht, which is just over £100, $120. Now, if you buy your DJI drone here, you'll get the license free. You just have to register. It takes about 40 minutes to get the license, and then you're on your way. So there's no flying lessons needed or anything like that. Oh, hello, mate. Oh, hello, mate. But yeah, I'll leave a link in the description, and you can, if you really want to bring your drone out, you've definitely got to get a license. But you know, it's 4,500 baht. It takes 40 minutes. That's it. And with that, you get 1 million bahts worth of insurance.
The story is, just before it closed, apparently there was a Britten Norman Islander, which is a twin engine, about a 6-seater, came here and tried to land or take off. I was not sure if it was on landing or taking off. Might have been taking off, and had a little incident down the end of the trees there. E.g. went off the end of the runway, hit a bank and ripped itself to pieces.
So this is the drone, the DJI Mavic. It was donated to me by Kevin Thailand before he left Thailand, and he sadly passed away. But he gave it to me. I was really interested in getting a drone, and then I didn't bother for a while because I heard the disinformation about the licenses. But Kev gave me this, and it's not as bad as I thought. What kind of plane's that, Jeremy? Yeah, this guy, you just pay him 100 baht and you can use the airfield. 100 baht each. Bargain. And that's it, he's gone, he's left us alone. Not even I can crash the thing here. Whoa! Mate, that's really... Whew, that's noisy, that is. UAV training centre. This is what is ours, what he's given us for the day, for 100 baht.
It's in old man mode.
It's what, old man mode? What do you mean?
Fly slow as shit.
You've got to put it in sport mode.
Yeah,
UAV camper van here. So this is the building that he says we can use. I think we can go inside and make a brew. 100 baht for the day. If you're practicing things like this, then this is the perfect place to come. You're not going to get any hassle from anybody. There you go, we're doing a test on the return to base. And it did scare me because it started going higher than...
We're right in the middle of a real helipad.
Come on baby, come and land. I can get it. Whee! Perfect. I mean, basically, I'd like it as low as possible because I'm not really into the big aerial shots. You know, it's not really my thing. But if it's low level and following you with the camera, it acts as a perfect gimbal. So Jeremy's going to fly his remote control plane because we just come to put the another battery in the drone and it's dead. So I don't know whether the battery's completely knackered or...
You're mischarging one, yes.
It's just, it only charges at one at a time though. That's the problem with that thing.
Right.
Go for it. This is how it takes off. Whoa. Believe it or not, this place is for sale. It's 550 million baht. There's 18 or 16 acres of land on this. You've got all these buildings here. There's old aircraft. Well, yeah, for sale. Huge piece of land. But that's quite a bit of money. What's that? What was that?
Big eight-legged fucking things everywhere.
Oh, alright. There you go. There's going to be all kinds of spiders here. Not my thing. I keep looking for snakes in this grass as well.
Land Rover plus boat, 120,000.
Sorry?
Land Rover plus boat, 120,000. Microlight, 30,000. What a bargain.
Microlight, yeah, but it needs a fair bit of work doing on it.
You can buy ones that run for that price.
Can you? Yeah. I can hear a motorbike, so the old man's coming back.
This looks like
Cessna.
Very old one.
There's another microlight here. You'd have to get the cobwebs off it.
It's going to fly really, really fast.
Let's have a look inside here. Hope there's no snakes in or anything. Oh yes.
Question is, are they new floats, which it looks like?
I have flown in a small turboprop before. A small one, you know, I think it sat 4 of us.
Small? This is big.
Yeah. It's like, it reminded me of flying in a transit van. That's what it felt like, to be honest with you. Oh, it was a good job I'd had about 6 bottles of wine. Pattaya Drone Park. Great day out, 100 baht, absolute bargain. So if you're coming out here, or if you're here and you want to practice flying a drone or one of these remote control airplanes, that's the place to go. Last night on my Facebook, I put up a post asking for bar owners to contact me if you're opening next week. Not everybody's going to open. I reckon 30% are going to open. Some are holding back for a while. We're going to open A7 first. A7, that'll be open on Wednesday the 1st. It's going to be, we don't know the laws for licensing yet, the time difference. So if we just say 12 midnight for the moment, so it'll be open from 12 in the day till 12 midnight, but that might change. Hacienda, I'm going to open that next Friday. So you've got 2 days in between, which will be the normal Friday NDTVi night. First one for like nearly 4 months. So that, or both of them, we are really looking forward to. And earlier on, I went to Retox Game On for my normal fish and chips on a Friday, and there's a few lads in there, and everybody seems to be coming out on Wednesday. So Wednesday in Pattaya is going to be a really good night. Now, the other bars that are open that I know of. Now, if there's any of you guys out there, you're watching this and you've got a bar and you're opening, let me know. You can email me or let me know in the comments and I'll give you a mention. Baku Group. They're going to be opening one bar for now, which is the Baku Lounge on Soy Boomerang. So they're going to be doing 12 till 12, same as ours. So that's the Baku Group, Baku Lounge. Now a new one, which popped up just before the closure, which is called Black Snake on Soy Bacau. I think it's the side towards Pattaya Thai. They're opening as well, which is good news because that's an Agogo opening. And like I said, I don't think many of them will. At the moment, I don't know nothing about Walking Street. I'm not sure if Walking Street's going to be fully open. I just can't see the point of it because it's very, very touristy down there. I could be wrong, but if any of you guys opening on Walking Street, please let me know and I'll give you a mention on Monday. Now, Alke Metro. I've spoken to Billabong. Billabong are saying they're going to give it a couple of days before they open. They said they're looking at the 3rd or the 4th, and that goes for Climax as well, Agogo, which is on Alke Metro. I might have more by Monday. I'll let you know by then. Soy 6. Soy 6 looks to be quite good actually. You've got Nightwish are opening 6 bars on Soy 6. I don't know the list yet, but I'll have them on Monday, so I'll update you on that on Monday. Also, they're opening one on Soy Chaiyapoon. I think they're going to open Blue Bar on that. I'm not sure. I can't guarantee that 100%, but they're opening 7 altogether. Also on Soy 6, you've got La La Land and Wet 6. They're definitely opening on Wednesday. On Soy Chaiyapoon, I'd imagine there's quite a few going to open up on there. It does seem quite busy anyway, that Soy, and it has been throughout the lockdown. I can't guarantee this, but I've gone past Triangle Bar and I've seen bands practicing in there, so I'm presuming they're going to be open. I'll try and get a confirmation on that for you again by Monday. Also on Soy 7, I'm not sure if Pandora's is going to open. I will know more by Monday, and there's other bars. So any of you guys opening bars on Soy 7, Soy 8, anything like that, please get in touch with me and I'll give you a mention on Monday when I come to read out the rules. Like I say, this video this time kind of messed up a little bit because I was going to read out the rules, which won't be confirmed until Monday. So we got a big, once I get these rules on Monday, we've got a big rush job on to get a video made and get it edited, and we'll go through each one of the rules and also which bars are going to open. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on Monday.